Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic what is odorous house art. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. The odorous house ants are ant species present in urban and wild areas, but most commonly you can find them living outside buildings. Tapinoma sessile is an odorous house ant known for a coconut-like smell produced by its body due to the release of formic acid. Moreover, they are brown or black in appearance and are 2.5 to 3.5 mm long. They like to eat honeydew and sweet food and prefer to live in moist places like water pipes, under the soil and near heaters. Furthermore, they are not dangerous and live for almost 2.5 to 3 years. The Tapinoma sessile is a peaceful ant that would not try to bite unless you are not interfering with them and run away when they detect a threat from you. Tapinoma sessile is the scientific name for odorous house ants commonly present in houses and are known for a particular smell. They are also called odorous ants due to their rotten coconut-like odor that is strong enough to be easily detected when squished by hands. It is easy to identify these ants by distinguishing smell produced by their bodies and appearance. You can also use the name coconut ants for these species of insect. They are also known as sugar ants according to their dietary habits because they like to eat sugary fruits material and get attracted to sweet food items. So they have got three common names based on their body, smell and food preferences for high proteins and sugars like sweet juices and baked food items or cakes left on the countertop. They have brown color bodies that appear darker in color while some of them have black bodies. Moreover, they have small bodies that are almost 2.5 to 3.5 mm long. They have antennae on their heads which have 12 segments, but there is no antennal club. In addition, their thorax is uneven in shape and petioles have one flat node that is not visible. The mandibles are smaller except for the two apical teeth that are slightly bigger than the rest of the teeth. Unlike other species, they have no clusters of hair on their abdominal region. Sometimes it becomes challenging to distinguish Argentine ants from coconut ants due to their similar appearance, but their trials can make a difference as the former ones march in 5 rows. In addition, smell of Tapinoma sessile is like a rotten coconut, but Argentine ants give off a musty smell. The odorous house ants like to consume sweet food items like all other species attracted to food items with a good quantity of sugary substances. Moreover, they are fond of sugar syrups and honeydew and tend to aphids and other sap-sucking insects that can provide honeydew. They are omnivores and feed on both plants and animals as they get nutrition from the meat of insects like mealybugs. They can also feed on decaying fruits that are a source of sweet juices. Furthermore, all sweet substances can attract them inside the house and make them house-infesting ants that can pollute the food items. So their preference is to eat sweet or sugary fruits, but they collect high protein food for the larvae that need more proteins to grow well. The lifespan of Tapinoma sessile varies for members of the colony, as males cannot survive for long and live only a few weeks when they get mature and participate in breeding. In addition, the workers of odorous house ants can live for almost 2.5 to 3 years when living in ideal conditions and are not predated by larger insects or birds. However, the queens usually live a longer life as they remain protected by the guards, playing the role of protecting the nest from the attack of predators. Furthermore, she gets a good diet and workers take special care of her as the colony's survival depends on her. That's why it can live for almost 10 to 12 years. The wild species of ants cannot survive for years and live only for a few weeks or months as they have more risk of attack from predators and the unavailability of food. The odorous house ants do not pose any serious threat like stinging on the skin, but they can pollute the stored food items by getting inside the food packaging. They do not have a stinger, which is used for defense, but they can bite, which is not so dangerous as they have smaller mandibles. Moreover, they are nuisance pests and unwanted house guests that are responsible for structural damage but can cause infections by transferring harmful germs into stored foods. You can prepare an ant bait using sugars that can attract these pests and kill the whole population ultimately when they feed stored food to their larvae and queen. Thanks for watching the video.